Yeah, guys, the blades have been replaced. And I shot videos. I had my wife video me replacing both sides of the blades on the lawnmower. I got to thinking, there are so many videos on YouTube that show you how to replace blades. You didn't need to watch me do it. The only reason I'm replacing these blades is because life happens, and I get on the mower, one of the blades is loose, this one right here. It's hard to tell, but there's a crack in it here and it's bent, it's hit something. And it was time to replace them, they're older. I had planned on several videos explaining retirement, but we fix things here. And as we're retired, when things break, we have to fix them. The thing I'm the happiest about is that I was able to do it. Just took a couple of different tools, a 15/16 socket and a couple of ratchets and a jack to raise the mower up. There's several different videos on YouTube about taking the jack off and turning it over, doing all these other things. But the ones that made the most sense told me, replace the blades, lower the mower, make sure all 4 tires are at the correct air pressure. Measure the deck height on both sides, front and rear. And all of that checked out. It all came out even. I did have to add air to the tires. But I'm done. It's time to finish it.